Ever wondered how to make extra cash without leaving your house? Imagine turning your spare time into profit by reselling on Amazon. Picture this: finding hidden gems at thrift stores, then selling them for a profit. Sounds exciting, right? Grab your phone, snap a photo, and list an item. It's that simple. No fancy equipment needed, just your smartphone. Why let unused items gather dust? Sell them on Amazon and watch your earnings grow. Thrift stores, garage sales, your attic, everywhere is a treasure trove. Reselling on Amazon turns these finds into cash. Got a knack for finding deals? Put that talent to work by reselling. It's like treasure hunting, but more rewarding. Imagine turning a $5 thrift store find into $50. That's the power of reselling on Amazon. Why wait? You can start listing items today. The more you list, the more you earn. Are you a bargain hunter? Transform your hobby into a money-making venture with Amazon Reselling. Every item you sell adds to your wallet. It's like finding money hidden in plain sight. Got some free time? Use it to scout for hidden gems and list them on Amazon. Your wallet will thank you. Why let great deals pass by? Snatch them up, list them on Amazon, and turn them into profits. Reselling isn't just for pros. Anyone can do it. Start small and see how quickly your profits grow. Imagine the thrill of seeing your items sell and your bank account grow. It's an adventure worth trying. Stop dreaming about extra cash. Make it a reality by reselling items on Amazon. Your future self will thank you. Why spend money when you can make money? Turn everyday finds into profit with Amazon Reselling. Think of all the hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Your next profit could be just around the corner. Got a sharp eye for bargains? Use it to your advantage. List those finds on Amazon and watch the money roll in. Turn your shopping trips into profit-making missions. Every deal you find is an opportunity on Amazon. Why let a good deal slip away? Grab it, list it, and profit from it. It's that simple. Turn your love for shopping into a profitable side hustle. Reselling on Amazon is the way to go. Imagine the excitement of selling your first item. Then imagine doing it again and again. It's possible with Amazon Reselling. Every item you list is a step towards extra cash. What are you waiting for? Start reselling today. Why settle for just saving money when you can also make money? Reselling on Amazon makes it possible. Got spare time? Use it wisely by hunting for deals and reselling them. Your bank account will love it. Imagine the satisfaction of turning a great find into cash. That's the joy of reselling on Amazon. Why wait to start making extra cash? Begin your reselling journey today and see how easy it is. Turn your knack for finding deals into a profitable side hustle. Reselling on Amazon is your ticket to extra income.